In 2025, robotic cleaning just got a whole lot smarter and cleaner. Meet the Dreame H14 station, the latest flagship floor cleaner from Dreame. Now equipped with a fully automated water refill and drainage dock, hot water mop cleaning, and smart self-drying. Designed to be the ultimate all-in-one floor cleaning system, the H14 station goes beyond expectations, transforming floor care into a truly hands-free experience. The H14 station isn't just a cleaning tool, it's a home base with brains. Its docking station is the world's first to feature 100C hot water mop washing, automatic clean water refill, dirty water drainage, and hot air drying at 75C. Once your cleaning session is complete, just return the device to its dock, it takes care of the rest. The product is technically an upgraded version of the Dreame H14 Ultra, combining all of that model's top-tier features with a significantly more capable smart station. If the Ultra made floor cleaning effortless, the station eliminates it entirely from your routine. Unboxing the Dreame H14 station reveals an array of accessories that hint at its complexity and capability. The package includes a large, upgraded auto-charging dock with integrated water inlet and outlet, a white water inlet hose and gray drainage hose, plus fittings and a valve connector, a 3-in-1 wrench, cleaning solution, extra filters, replacement mop roller, and a nylon cleaning brush. A detailed installation guide to help set up the water connections properly. While setting up the water system may require some DIY plumbing skills, Dreame includes everything you need to get started, and there are online tutorials to guide you through the process. In terms of design, the H14 station retains the signature rounded body and elongated handle with easy access control buttons. The build feels premium and sturdy, with a two-tone white and gray color scheme and a black 880 ml clean water tank. The rear houses the 650 ml dirty water and dust tank, enhanced with 5D rolling wash technology. Inspired by dishwashers, this mechanism thoroughly scrubs the tank clean, minimizing the need for manual maintenance. Because the smart dock now handles most water exchange tasks, the onboard tanks are smaller and lighter. This reduces the device's weight during operation and increases user convenience. You no longer need to refill or empty the tanks manually. After each cleaning session, a vibrant LED display sits atop the unit, offering clear visibility in all lighting conditions. It displays key information like battery status, cleaning mode, and alerts, helping users stay informed during use. Despite its robust feature set, the H14 station maintains a manageable weight of 5.7 kilograms. And thanks to motorized wheels, it glides effortlessly across various surfaces. The handle is ergonomically shaped, and the directional assist system further enhances maneuverability. Underneath, the Dreame H14 station features a powerful 20,000 pascal suction motor, paired with a rolling brush and dual wheels for effective debris pickup. This configuration ensures no speck of dust, big or small, is left behind. The brush head includes Dreame's Tangle Cut Blade system, which automatically trims tangled hair and fibers, preventing clogs and ensuring consistent performance over time. An especially valuable feature for pet owners. The biggest upgrade in this model is its fully automatic mop maintenance system. Hot water cleaning at 100C removes bacteria and grime from the mop roller. Hot air drying at 75C ensures the roller is completely dry, odor-free, and ready for the next session. After every use, the system cleans, disinfects, and dries the mop, making it feel brand new each time. Users no longer have to worry about mold, odors, or having to touch dirty mop heads. Limitations and trade-offs. The only notable drawback compared to the H14 Ultra is the reduced tilt flexibility. While the H14 Ultra could lay flat to clean under low furniture, the station model can only tilt to a certain angle, making it less ideal for cleaning deep under couches or beds. However, for regular flat surfaces, baseboards, and open spaces, the H14 station performs flawlessly. To further enhance customization, Dreame offers a Dreame Home mobile app that allows users to adjust cleaning modes and suction levels, set mop wash and drying schedules, toggle assistive features like auto push motor, track usage stats and firmware updates. It's a great addition for users who love automation and hands-free smart home management. The H14 station is also equipped with surface detection sensors. If it detects carpet or rugs, the unit automatically stops to prevent water damage, a thoughtful safety feature. This seamless operation allows users to transition from hardwood to tile without micromanaging the cleaning process. The Dreame H14 station is a game changer in the home cleaning space. It takes everything that made the H14 Ultra excellent and adds the convenience of complete automation, from water management to mop maintenance. With top-tier suction power, a self-cleaning mop roller, hair cutting blades, and app-based control, this device redefines what we expect from a cordless floor cleaner. For busy homeowners, pet parents, or tech enthusiasts, the H14 station is not just a vacuum, it's a fully autonomous cleaning assistant. If you're ready to ditch manual maintenance and embrace smart cleaning, the Dreame H14 station may be the most valuable upgrade your home gets this year.